So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and create out masks by using AI inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So for that, you need to go around over here onto the masking tool right here. And once that is expanded, you see these options right here where you can go ahead and select subject, sky, or background. So you can see that you can simply add a new mask. So let me just go ahead and select out sky right here, just like this. And as I click on it, what happens is that it'll analyze out the background and then we'll select the sky. And here you can see that it has analyzed and selected out the sky right here. So now you can change around the exposure just of the sky right here, just of the selection, as you can see, and it is very precise. You can work around with the highlights right here as well, and everything else that you see right here. So you can go ahead and move out the shadows as needed and then control out how the sky looks. You can go ahead and change around the temperature and everything else right here, just like this as well, to change around the look of the sky, just like this. So this is what you can do. And apart from that, there are different sort of maskings right here, just like this as well. So this is for the sky right here. You can go ahead and add a new mask, and then you can go ahead and select people right here, select background as well, or select subject as well. So let's just go ahead and select out subject. And then it goes ahead and then detects it. As you can see, you need to wait for a while for it. And then it detects out this chair as the subject, as you can see right here. So now you can go ahead and change around the properties right here according to how you want. So just like this, you can see that this is the exposure right here that I controlled out, and you can go ahead and control out many other things as you want as well. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize masks with AI inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.